Tupac Shakur. What are your thoughts about this black man who was very activist?
I felt very sad that the son of one of the Panther 21.
Assata Shakur.
Okay. No, his mother was not Assata Shakur. Assata Shakur
was his.
Oh yeah, that's right. Right. He would make a career of writing such anti-human, misogynistic lyrics. I think that's a sad thing.
Who, Tupac?
Yeah. I think that's deeply regrettable. It marks a true regression in African American culture.
So that's what you know Tupac for? The misogyny in a sense?
And the anti-human sentiments.
What are the anti-human sentiments? The thug life?
You know...
The gangster persona?
1 second. This way. Just listen to the lyrics.
Now if you feel that you can't go on, it's because all your hope is gone, and your life is filled with much confusion, until happiness is just an illusion, and the world is tumbling down. Darling, reach out, hey, reach out for me, reach out for me.
African American music through the 1960s. And then it took a nosedive. Everything is colored. That's not music. That's animals copyrighted with its heart.
I see your point.
You want to hear music? 1 second. No.
No, I know music.
No, you don't know music. You know
Jerry Rafferty,
you know,
right down the line.
You know trash.
No, oh my gosh, my friend. Oh my gosh.
You know trash.